support this show. We went over to the Unplugged show, punched those guys in the stomach, just like an aggressive jerk. Stole their promo code. With mentions, you just enter LanceGavin.com/unplugged. All right, our first interview is someone from the Gnome Project who's working on the future of software solution partners. I'm looking forward all weekend to chatting with our next guest. How do you pronounce the last name for me?
Sridhar Krishna.
Thank you, sir. Now, you might actually remember him from previous episodes.
What's on my mind? I got Kadub on my mind.
You do?
Yeah. Well, I'm here today. I'm giving a talk on runtime systems and application sandboxing. And so, this is kind of a cool thing, but people don't know how cool it is.
So when you say sandboxing, I think, okay, this application might be limited on my desktop, but it's not really so much about that. It's more about security and also maybe portability.
Well, right, exactly. So one of the cool things about a runtime is being able to say, so let's go back one step. Developers, when they decide, oh, I want to write an application. Well, first you got to decide, okay, do I want to, I got to need to create a dev, I got to create RPM packaging, I got to go figure out things like that. So it seems like there's a